So the women MPs were standing in front of the Treasury bench. So what? And the Prime Minister, absolute lies. It is an absolute lie. There is no question of anybody raising any hands on the Prime Minister, trying to hurt him or any such thing. There is no question. So it is absolutely wrong of anybody to say that there was any such plan. There was no such plan. But if you're going to allow your members to stand and quote books and talk nonsense, then this side, the opposition benches are going to protest. And I'm sorry, but the Prime Minister is now hiding behind the Speaker. They are making the Speaker say all this. Because yesterday he did not have the guts to come in the House. What? Because 3 women were standing in front of his bench? What nonsense is this? Why don't you ask the government? Why don't you ask the government why the leader of opposition is not allowed to speak? Why don't? No, have you? I would like to know, have you asked them? Have you asked Amit Shah ji? Have you asked the Prime Minister? Have you asked the government why they are not allowing the LOP to speak? Do they have any basis to stop him from quoting a published source? They do not. So don't continuously every day ask this question to the opposition. The fact is, no. Yes, we are. Yes. 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 There is no discussion because the government does not want to discuss anything. That is the fact. And frankly, if the government has given you questions to ask, then it's fine. I'll answer them all. I'll answer them all.
Ma'am, very serious allegation on opposition.
I have already answered it.
जब सदन के नेता को सम्मानीय महामहिम राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण पर जवाब देना था, तो मेरे पास पुख्ता ऐसी जानकारी आई कि कांग्रेस पार्टी के कई सदस्य माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के आसन पर पहुंचकर कोई भी अप्रत्याशित घटना कर सकते थे। अगर ये घटना हो जाती तो ये अत्यंत अप्रिय देश के लोकतांत्रिक परंपराओं को तार कर देता। इसको टालने के लिए मैंने माननीय प्रधानमंत्री से आग्रह किया कि उन्हें सदन में नहीं आना चाहिए और सदन के सभापति होने के नाते मेरी जिम्मेदारी बनती थी कि सदन की उच्च परंपराओं गरिमाओं को अक्षुण्ण बनाए रखें। सदन के नेता सदन में न बोले, ये सभा के लिए किसी प्रकार के लिए उचित नहीं है। सदन के नेता ने उपस्थित न रहकर मेरे आग्रह को मानकर सदन को अप्रिय दृश्य से बचाया। मैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को इसके लिए आभार व्यक्त करता हूं कि उन्होंने मेरे सुझाव को माना।